Hey everybody, I am Surbhi and you are watching Key Differences. In this video, I am going to talk about the differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. So friends, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Before understanding cash flow statement, first you should know what is cash flow. So the term cash flow is a combination of two words, that is cash and flow, wherein the words cash refers to cash balance in hand and at the bank, whereas flow means movement of cash in and out of the organization. It deals with those items which involves cash transactions. Hence, it indicates the changes in cash status of the company, be it related to receipts, payment or disbursements. Now, what is cash flow statement? A cash flow statement implies the statement containing cash inflows and outflows of an organization during a particular period of time. For the preparation of cash flow statement, financial statement of two different financial years is required. Hence, cash flow statement reports the net cash flow. Net cash flow is the difference between cash inflow and cash outflow from each activity of the business concern. When there is a change in the cash position resulting in the increase in cash, it is called inflow of cash, whereas when there is a change in the cash position leading to the decrease in cash position, it is called outflow of cash. It involves reconciliation of opening and closing cash balances. Talking about the elements of cash. Cash and cash equivalents are the two elements of cash. Cash includes cash in hand and demand deposits with the bank, whereas cash equivalents include short-term highly liquid investments which are readily convertible into cash. For example, treasury bills, commercial papers, commercial bills, certificate of deposits and call money are covered in cash equivalent. Moving on to the classification of cash flow activities. So the cash flow activities can be operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. While operating activities are the primary revenue earning source of the company, it indicates the degree to which a company's regular business operations have generated enough cash flows in order to maintain operating efficiency, paying dividends to shareholder, repaying loans, investing in acquiring assets, etc. Next, investing activities are such activities which involve acquisition and sale of long-term assets and other investments which are not covered in cash equivalents. It indicates the extent to which the company has spent in acquiring resources that are intended to generate income and cash flows in future. Lastly, financing activities are the activities that cause the size and composition of the owner's capital and borrowings of the company to change. This ascertains the claims of shareholders on future cash flows of the company. Moving on to fund flow statement. Fund flow statement refers to the statement depicting the means by which business gets funds and the uses of funds between two balance sheet dates. So here you must be wondering, what does the term fund means? So friends, the term fund refers to the sum of money used for financing the company's regular business operations and procuring assets for the business. So, fund flow statement is devised to assess the changes in the financial position of the firm between two balance sheet dates. It is a record of the movement of financial assets in and out of the enterprise for a particular time. To prepare fund flow statement, basic financial statements like balance sheet and income statements are used. Moreover, there are two things we need to calculate first before the preparation of fund flow statement. These are changes in working capital and funds from operations. Further, the basis of inclusion or non-inclusion of financial event in the fund flow statement depends on the flow of funds. So what is flow of funds? So friends, the term flow of funds refers to the changes in the company's working capital during the cycle of business operations. In short, it is the movement indicating the change in the company's economic resources, that is from a particular asset or liability to another. Moving on to the difference between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. Cash flow statement is the summarized statement of cash receipts and cash payments of the firm between two financial periods. On the contrary, fund flow statement is a financial tool designed to analyze the changes in the financial position of the firm comparing two financial years. Basis of accounting. While cash flow statement uses cash basis of accounting, conversely, the fund flow statement uses accrual basis of accounting. Next, discloses. Cash flow statement is a statement prepared using historical data, which discloses the flow of cash in and out of the firm. On the other hand, a fund flow statement is a statement that represents the analytical details relating to the various sources of funds and their application in an accounting cycle. Next, for the purpose of short-term financial planning and decision making, cash flow statement is prepared, whereas a fund flow statement is suitable for long-term financial planning and decision making. Next, objective. Cash flow statement is helpful in explaining the cash movement between 2 points in time. In contrast, the fund flow statement facilitates in explaining the causes of changes in the balance sheet items, that is assets and liabilities, between two financial years. Next, opening balance. Cash flow statement begins with an opening cash balance and it ends with the closing cash balance. However, the opening and closing balance are not there in case of fund flow statement. While cash flow statement is a part of financial statement, fund flow statement is not a part of financial statement. So friends, this is all for today. I hope the difference between cash flow statement and fund flow statement is clear to you now. However, if you want to study the topic further in detail, you can visit our official website, that is keydifferences.com. Here you can find a detailed comparison of cash flow statement and fund flow statement along with their definitions and formats. Links are also provided in the description box below. So friends, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with other people. Also, if you are new to this channel and wanna get more such useful videos, consider subscribing the channel and also hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. And if you have any queries or feedback for me, feel free to leave in the comment section below. Until next time, this is me Surbhi signing off.